Have you ever seen a truck so strong that it looks like it can pull down a house without even trying? Imagine a machine built in an era when steel was thick, engines were massive, and trucks were made to work, not just to look good. Today, we are talking about a true American legend. A truck that farmers trusted, construction workers depended on, and off-road drivers admired. This is not just a pickup. This is raw power on four wheels. Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you might fall in love with one of the toughest classic trucks ever built, the 1971 Ford F-250 4x4. Hello everyone, welcome back to CarOg 765, your favorite channel for classic American cars and legendary machines. If you love vintage power, timeless design, and automotive history, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss an amazing story. The 1971 Ford F-250 4x4 was part of the fifth-generation F-Series lineup produced by Ford Motor Company between 1967 and 1972. This generation marked a turning point for Ford trucks. They were no longer just basic work vehicles. They were becoming more refined, more powerful, and more comfortable, without losing their toughness. In 1971, America was growing fast. Construction was booming, farms were expanding, and industries needed reliable heavy-duty trucks. The F-250 answered that call perfectly. It was positioned above the F-100, offering stronger suspension, heavier axles, and higher payload capacity. And when you chose the 4x4 version, you were getting serious off-road capability. Under the hood, buyers had powerful engine options. The most popular choices included the 360 cubic inch V8 and the legendary 390 cubic inch V8 engine. These engines delivered strong torque, which was more important than high speed. This truck was built to pull trailers, carry heavy loads, and drive through mud, snow, and rough terrain without hesitation. The design of the 1971 F-250 4x4 was bold and muscular. The front grille had a simple but aggressive look. The body lines were clean and straight, giving it a strong and confident presence. Unlike modern trucks filled with plastic, this truck was made with thick steel panels. When you closed the door, you could hear and feel the solid build quality. The suspension system in the 4x4 model made it even more impressive. It used a solid front axle and leaf springs, built to handle extreme conditions. Whether driving on rocky roads, farm fields, or mountain trails, this truck was ready for the challenge. It was not designed for smooth city roads, it was designed for real work. Inside the cabin, things were simple but practical. The dashboard was straightforward, with easy-to-read gauges and strong metal controls. There were no digital screens or luxury features. But what it offered was durability and reliability. Bench seats allowed space for 3 passengers, making it useful for work crews. One of the most interesting facts about the 1971 F-250 4x4 is that many of these trucks are still running today. That says a lot about the engineering quality of that era. In the United States, restored versions of this truck are highly valued among collectors. Some clean and fully restored models can sell for impressive prices in classic car auctions. Another reason for its popularity is its timeless style. Classic truck lovers appreciate the square body shape and vintage charm. It represents a time when trucks were purely mechanical, easy to repair, and built to last decades. Compared to modern heavy-duty trucks, the 1971 F-250 may not have advanced safety features or high-tech interiors. But what it does have is character. It has personality. When you drive it, you feel connected to the road and the engine. The sound of the V8, the vibration of the steering wheel, and the height of the driving position give a unique experience that modern trucks cannot fully replicate. In American automotive history, the F-Series became one of the best-selling truck lines ever. And models like the 1971 F-250 4x4 played a big role in building that reputation. It helped establish Ford as a leader in the heavy-duty truck segment. Today, if you find one in good condition, you are not just buying a vehicle. You are buying a piece of history. A symbol of American strength and industrial growth. A machine that worked hard and earned respect. So what do you think about the 1971 Ford F-250 4x4? Would you drive this classic beast on modern roads? Or would you keep it as a collector's treasure? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to CarOg 765 for more classic car stories. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.